Hello you beautiful people, I'm Bree, aka Trippy Inc. And today I'm going to show you how to turn a Unity project into a template and get that template into the Unity Hub. I'm currently teaching myself how to develop in VR using my Oculus Quest 2. It's been an adventure. It's been a quest. No pun intended. I'm sorry. So I apologize ahead of time if I mispronounce anything. I welcome all tips, tricks, corrections that you guys want to leave in the comments. All are welcome. I much appreciate them. I've run into a couple of errors that took me way too long to figure out how to fix, and they ended up not being that hard to fix at all. I just didn't know what the heck was wrong, so I'm going to walk you through the steps I took to create a template. I deleted my old template so I can start from scratch with you guys. So in my project, I have the XR Origin camera, a little ball that I can pick up and mess around with. And in this, I am also using the XR Interaction Toolkit version 2.0.2, in case you wanted to see what version I was using. And I'll show you what it looks like and what I'm turning into a template. Give me 1 second. Alright, so here we can see the hands I made for my template and my pointers. So before I did not have any hands, I just had the little lasers, the plane, and the ball. I have this little ball in here because throughout my process, I accidentally got rid of the control to pick up an object on the left hand, and that was irritating. Whee! You're going to need to download a couple of things first. If you don't already have these, I'm using Visual Studio, or any other IDE should work fine. Because there's a JSON file that you're going to need to change for the template. The second thing you're going to need is a program like WinRAR, which allows you to open and edit code within the zipped files, like the JSON file you're going to need to edit. The third thing you're going to have to download is a program such as 7-Zip, which you will be using to compress the folder into the template TGZ file. After you have all of that downloaded, you're going to need to locate where your project templates are. I have mine pinned right here, but I'm going to show you where mine are just in case you need help finding yours. So I went into my C drive, program files, Unity Hub, editor, and then the version you'll be using to create this template for. I'm creating mine for the 2021.3.3. Go into editor, data, resources, package manager, project templates, and here are your templates. So for me, I'll be using the 3D. You're gonna right click, extract here, press yes, and wait for that to load. This is the folder you'll be turning into a TGZ file with the 7-Zip. So, this is error number 1 for me. I didn't run my IDE as administrator and kept running into errors when it came to saving the file with my changes. So, search your... I'm just going to do that. And then run as administrator. Press yes. Open a local folder. Okay, so it looks like I'm already at mine, but if you were just to like start there, you can straight up copy this location here. Oh, here it is. Open a local folder. Paste that. Press enter. You're here. So this is the folder you'll be opening. No, thank you. And here is that file. So if you double click on that file, it should open right here. So there's not a lot you need to change in here. There's just like 3 things. So first you need to change this to whatever your template name will be. These don't have to be the same, but I'm going to name mine XRI. And then the last thing you'll need to change in here is whatever you want it to describe. So for me, I'm going to say this is an empty 3D project, or I'll do VR. VR project that uses Unity's built-in renderer and the XR interaction toolkit. Yeah. So I changed the name, display name, and description. And that's pretty much it. And then Control S to save that. Then you can X out of that. Once you've changed that, you're going to go into your project, go into your assets folder, show and explore. You can X out of that. Oh my God, sorry, I'm burping. You can X out of that. And these are the two folders you'll be dealing with. So this is what you will be taking from your project to turn into the template. So in your package, project data, everything in here, delete all of that. You're going to delete all that. And then here you're going to select assets, packages, and project settings. You're going to copy those and paste these into your project data folder. And here you're going to open your project settings. Actually, you can X out of this. You won't need this anymore. And you're going to go into your project settings. And the only text document in here you're going to delete. That was only relevant to your project file, not a template. So now we're back here in the project templates. Here's your package that you want to turn into a template. Error number 2. For some reason, I've been having issues with running as administrator and saving things. So you're going to search up 7-zip, run as administrator. Yes. It already opened to the location I need and the version I need. Make sure you're in the right version. I made that mistake before. I saved a template to the wrong version and I had so many errors. So this right here, you're going to turn into a fellow TGZ file. Right click, 7-zip, add to archive. You're going to want it to be file format TAR. And right here, you're going to want to respect the format of the templates. So like what you put in the JSON file, you're going to name it com.unity.template. Dot whatever you named it. I named mine XRI dot TGZ. Okay. If you forget what you named that, you can go back into the package and straight up open that. And you can look right there. You can even copy it. I'm going to copy mine just in case. And you got X out of that. You didn't make any changes or anything. So yeah, you can put that there, and then just don't forget the TGZ at the end. Compress shared files, and press OK, and you're all set. There it is. Beautiful. Amazing. In here, you can do it in here or in your file explorer, but delete this. You'll have issues. Oh, just kidding. Can't do that. Oh, it's open. Is it? So I'm going to X out of here. I'm actually going to go back into this. Go back to this location and delete this. You must delete this. Okay. Well, for some reason I can't. Okay. Maybe that'll help. But you have to delete this before you try to run that, or you will run into errors. Beautiful. Deleted. Okay. Yeah, another thing. Before you go back into Unity to make sure and check this is in there, make sure you quit out of Unity Hub. Might be running in the background. Yeah, so delete that, refresh that, get out of that, open up your Unity Hub, and it should be in there. So yeah, new project. And there it is, your beautiful template. Yay. So I'm going to name this We. And create. And here we are. We have our template, new project with all of our settings that we wanted, my XR interaction toolkit. Yay. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, I will respond to you in the comments. Hopefully I can help you. Like I said, I'm still a beginner at this. And then any intermediate or advanced peeps out there, if you have any tips for moving forward with this, also leave those down below. I would love that. Thank you so much. And I hope this helped you. And if you want any more tutorials, maybe more on the VR side of things, like for beginners, let me know. I would love to help anyone with any issues that I've also run into, and maybe even how to set up a template for VR using the XR Interaction Toolkit. Well, thank you again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace, love, unity, respect. Okay, bye.